Hi there, I'm JD Hoovener, your host of the Bold Today Show, where you, the inventor, entrepreneur, and business owner, get your daily dose of inspiration to make the world a better place. Well, did you get a chance to say no to anyone yesterday? I hope you did, and I hope that means to you saying yes to the most important priorities in your work-life balance. Today we're going to talk about what it means to say no in a different way, and to be able to say no before you get asked a question. How do you do that? Well, you can schedule time with yourself, all right? Calendar time to work on your number one priorities. This way, when someone comes and asks you, hey, do you have 30 minutes? Hey, can you help me with this project? Oh, hey, I need to make a call really quick. Can I use your office? It's already no, because if they use your calendar, you've got a booking. You've got a half-hour appointment to work on that project. It's a way to, in advance, say you're not available, and to block that time out. So I encourage you to do what's called time blocking for your projects, so you can help others see that you're busy. You already got that time allocated, and you said yes to doing that number one important project and work on your invention or your project that your team is working on. All right, we're in the last session with our good buddy Sean Smith out of Tulsa, Oklahoma, and his invention on the toolbox with integrated compressed air lines. So this invention we've seen, and you're probably familiar with if you've been tuning into the Bold Today Show, is quite interesting. As we can tell from this first page, right? We're going to take a look at the very first page of the patent. There's tons to look at, and we're using it as a really good example to get a good understanding of what goes into an application. What are the key components, and what are the law that backs it up? So under 37 CFR 1.55. The statute requires that the inventor, along with their attorney, that they make sure they reference the prior applications and make U.S. Provisional patent application their priority claim. This is a huge deal because in order to get the early filing date, in order to capture that, you need to put that down and list it on the front page of the patent application. And it's there, as you can see, under the the related U.S. applications, it's got the reference to the 61/, and you can see the full number of the application right there. This was filed September 18th, 2013. Okay, you can see in the upper right, this patent was issued February 20th, 2018. Right, so it took almost 4.5, almost 5 years, right, to get this thing issued, and the inventor gets priority all the way back to 2013. So that means any inventor that said that they've got a new invention in the same space and they tried patenting their own toolbox with integrated airlines in late 2013 or 2014 or any time in between then, they would lose. And our buddy Sean Smith would win in a priority battle. And so what was important about that priority date, the way they were able to capture that is when they filed the non-provisional. And you can see on the front page again, it's 14/. That's the non-provisional application number. And you can see that was filed September 18, 2014, just 1 year after the provisional to the date. They were cutting it kind of close. The rule is 1 year. You must file a non-provisional application 1 year, no longer after the provisional. That's how you get priority back to that early provisional filing date. So anyway, I want to make sure you guys have got a good understanding of this and the law. But as we took a look, you can make a good plan, set that plan in motion by saying no in advance and making it known that you're blocked out and you've got that time available. So I hope this is a nice lesson. And if you see the value in this video, please pass it along to a friend of yours who could also use a tip on how to say no in advance. Have a great day, everyone. Go big, go bold.
Go bold at boldip.com.